In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Google Chrome browser to light mode, making your browsing experience a little brighter and more eye-friendly. If you've been navigating through Chrome's darker themes and you're in the mood for a change, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through these steps together, and by the end of this short guide, your Chrome browser will have a fresh new look. To get started, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your device. Now, focus your attention on the upper right corner of your browser window. There, you'll see a three-dot menu icon. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu that holds the key to various settings and tools available to you in Chrome. It's like a control hub, where you manage everything from bookmarks to your browsing history. Once you have the menu open, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will direct you to a page filled with different options and customizable features that let you tailor your browser to suit your preferences. On the Settings page, if you direct your attention to the left side of the screen, you'll notice a panel with various headings. Here, what you want to focus on is the Appearance option. Click this and you're almost there. With the Appearance settings open in front of you now, take a look for an option labeled Mode. Here, you'll find different themes that can change the overall feel and appearance of your browser. It should list light and possibly other modes like dark or custom. Since our goal today is to switch to light mode, you'll want to select Light. This change in appearance is immediate. Once you make the selection, you'll notice how the background of your browser turns brighter, with text and features clearly standing out against the lightened backdrop. And there we have it, friends. Just a few simple clicks, and your Chrome browser is now in light mode. This visual change can make reading text easier during the day and can also be a refreshing update to your typical browsing routine. If you ever wish to change back or explore other themes, following these steps will lead you right back to where you can play around with different settings and find the best fit for you. Remember, personalizing your browsing environment can greatly enhance your user experience, so don't hesitate to explore these settings. I hope you found this guide helpful, and enjoy your browsing time in light mode. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy browsing!